Hello everyone, it's me Kishan. In the previous video, we had looked at basic example on how to implement huge state hooks. So in this video, let's take another example. So once again, we are going to implement counter example. So go to the VS Code and let's make one component inside the hook, that is hooks counter 2.jsx. Then I use React snippet to create a functional component, that is RCFE. Let's make one use state variable and corresponding set function in the function hooks counter. So const initial count with 0, then corresponding setter function const count comma set count. Count is a state variable and set count is a function that update the state. So equals to use state. Use state a function that makes you to use the state in the function based component, that is initially 0. So initial count. Then inside div, let's make 3 button with increment, decrement and reset the value. So first of all, button to increment and pass one event handler, that is on click equals to one arrow function. Then update the state with set count. Inside count plus 1 to increment. It will increment the value. Then let's copy and make 3 button. This is for decrement. And let's change this decrement. And lastly, make the button for resetting value. So after clicking the reset button, it will change the value from 5 to 0 or 6 to 0. So we should pass the initial count as a parameter. Then let's import the hooks counter 2 in the main component. First of all, save it and go to the app component and hooks counter 2. So to run the project, go to the terminal and change the directive to your app name. My app name is contact system. And type npm start. It will run your project on the specific browser. Whose counter use state is not defined. So what is the error? Oh, we should import the use state in the React library. So use state, then go to a browser. So this is the 3 button. Also we should add the count value. So let's call the count variable. So click on the increment, it will increment the value. So click on the decrement, it will decrement the value. And reset, lastly we should change the value for reset. Save and go to the browser and increment 6 and reset. So it reset the value. So let's make another button with button to increment by by 5. Then pass with one even handler. Unclick and pass the increment 5 function. So to make the function, we should make it on the above the return method. Const increment 5 equals to arrow function. Inside this, I will use for loop. So for let first of all initialize the value, then I plus plus increment the value. Inside this, let's update the state with count plus 1. So it should increment the value by 5. Go to the browser and increment the value by 5. But it increment the value by only 1. So to overcome this, we should use the second form of use state, that is previous state or previous count, add whatever you want. So go to the set count and pass the function, that is, let's make previous count as a one function and make it arrow function, that is prev count plus 1. So go to this and increment by 5. So previous state has access to the old state. So anytime you need to update state value based on previous state value, you should make a one previous count function and pass the previous count variable. Then change the all value with previous count. Previous count plus 1. Then also change it. Previous count minus 1. Then